Hello folks, today I'm going to be showing you one of the rare species of birds of paradise plants. We normally see the ordinary birds of paradise like the yellow, the orange, and the red one. But this one, it has a blackish, purple, and a white flower. And it's so beautiful and it's so unique. And it's called white birds of paradise. And these are some of the regular birds of paradise that we normally see, especially in some tropical countries or tropical areas. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.